Okay, today in Mckeogh Math we are working on graphing equations of lines using the table method. This is our given problem, y equals 3/2 x minus 2. Madison, what would you like to plug into x first?
2.
2. Okay, so we can plug in whatever we want for our x values for this problem, but when we plug in x value we have to find out what that specific y is going to be. So here we have y equals 3/2, and then in the x spot I put this 2 that we were given by Madison, and then minus 2. These 2's are going to cross cancel, so we have y equals 3 minus 2, and so y equals 1. When x is 2, y is 1, and we can write the point 2, comma 1. Connor, what point do you want to pick to plug in for x second?
1.
1. The only reason we're not going to do 1 is we'll be left with a fraction. Can you pick an even number?
Sure, 4.
4. Okay, so now we're going to try 4. And when we plug in 4 here, we have y equals 3/2 x minus 2. Y equals 3/2 times 4 minus 2. Now the 2 and the 4 will cancel, but the 4 becomes a 2, so we have y equals 6 minus 2. And then we have y equals 4.
You can barely see the last one.
You can barely see that. Well, y equals 4. Y equals 4. So when we plug in 4, we get 4a. And 4 comma 4. Joe Simon, how many points does it take to graph a line? 2. Do we have 2 points? We have enough to graph the line. 2, 1, x, y. Here's the x-axis. Here's the y-axis. 2 on the x, 1 on the y. We'll put a dot right there. And then 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the x. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y. Put another dot. Connect them. Make sure our lines extend and that they have arrows going to infinity, and then label the points. 4, 4, and 2, comma 1. That's how you graph a line using the table method.